Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of reverse mortgage purchases, a powerful tool that not only expands your clientele, but also can greatly enhance your earning potential. So what are some of the ways a reverse mortgage purchase can increase sales? It enables buyers to acquire a more expensive home than they could afford solely with cash. It can help free up cash to improve their retirement. The proceeds can even be used as a gift or early inheritance to help an heir with a down payment on their own home. Let's take a look at the demographics. There's over $11 trillion in home equity held by homeowners age 62 plus today. 1/4 of all home buyers are age 60 and above. The number of Americans ages 65 plus and older will more than double by 2060. In 2023, there were 4.3 million homes sold. Did you know that 39% of all buyers were baby boomers and potential reverse mortgage purchase candidates? That's 1.95 million senior buyers. And 51% of all baby boomer purchases were all cash transactions. So why would so many seniors pay all cash? Because less than 10% knew they could have purchased with a reverse mortgage and put the rest of the funds in their bank account and saved for retirement. That's 994,500 seniors that paid all cash and didn't have to. If you are a real estate professional and not focused on the retirement market, you are missing out on assisting the largest demographic of people in our history that will need housing choices for many years to come. So what exactly is a reverse mortgage? A reverse mortgage, also known as a home equity conversion mortgage, is a federally insured mortgage for homeowners 62 plus. There are also several private reverse mortgage options in which the homeowner can be 55 years and older. Reverse mortgages convert a percentage of home equity into available funds a borrower has access to. They can choose cash up front, a line of credit, or they can even receive monthly payments. When used in a purchase, the funds offset a percentage of the purchase price. There are even reverse mortgage seconds that can go behind a low-interest first mortgage. The amount a buyer will qualify for depends on 3 factors: age, the value of the home, and the interest rate. Real estate agents who work with reverse mortgage purchases can enjoy several benefits. Expanded client base. By offering reverse mortgage purchase options, agents can attract older clients who may not have considered traditional financing methods. This expands their potential client pool and opens up new opportunities for sales. Increased sales volume. Reverse mortgage purchases can enable clients to access more expensive properties than they could afford with traditional financing, potentially leading to higher-priced transactions and increased commission for the agent. Competitive edge. Agents who understand and promote reverse mortgage purchases distinguish themselves as knowledgeable and forward-thinking professionals in the industry. This can give them a competitive edge over other agents who do not offer this option. Helping seniors achieve housing goals. Working with reverse mortgage purchases allows agents to assist senior clients in achieving their housing goals, such as downsizing, relocating, or aging in place, while still preserving their financial resources. Building trust and loyalty. By guiding clients through the process of utilizing a reverse mortgage purchase, agents can build trust and establish long-term relationships with clients and their families, leading to referrals and repeat business. Satisfying a growing market. As the population ages, the demand for housing solutions suitable for seniors is increasing. Real estate agents who specialize in reverse mortgage purchases can tap into this growing market segment and meet the evolving needs of their clients. Overall, working with reverse mortgage purchases can provide real estate agents with a range of benefits, from expanding their client base and increasing sales volume, to building trust with clients and staying ahead in a competitive market. So what kinds of properties qualify for a reverse mortgage purchase? The property being purchased must meet Federal Housing Administration property standards and flood requirements, and be one of the following property types: a single-family home, a 2 to 4 multi-unit property, an FHA-approved condominium. A manufactured home must meet FHA standards and be built after June 15, 1976. The private reverse mortgage is a great option when a condominium complex is not FHA approved. This private option can also be used for home purchases up to $5 million. Let's look at an example of how a reverse mortgage purchase can benefit a buyer when downsizing. A 70-year-old couple in Arizona sell their home for $500,000 and purchase a new home for $350,000. They can pay cash for their new purchase but want to retain as much funds from the sale of their departure home and increase liquidity. In this example, when purchasing a home for $350,000, the buyer would have an extra $135,000 to save for retirement, improve the property, or even invest for their future. Now let's look at upsizing with a reverse mortgage purchase. In this example, we'll look at a 70-year-old couple in Florida that sells their home for $500,000 and purchase a new home for $650,000. They do not want any monthly mortgage payments. By using a reverse mortgage to purchase the new $650,000 home, the couple had a net savings of $257,000. Instead of them having to bring in $190,000, they actually had $67,720 proceeds remaining from the sale of their home. A reverse mortgage can also facilitate the purchase of higher-priced properties, up to $5 million. Let's take a look at a 57-year-old single man in California who wishes to purchase a new home without incurring a monthly mortgage payment. After selling his home for $1,500,000, he's looking to purchase a property worth $1.8 million. In this example, instead of him having to bring in an extra $420,000 from his savings or other investments, he would actually have $261,000 remaining from the sale of his home. This is a savings of over $681,000. A strategy often overlooked is purchasing 2, 3, or even 4 units with a reverse mortgage purchase. Let's look at a 62-year-old couple who wishes to purchase a 2-unit home without incurring a monthly mortgage payment. Their goal is to collect rental income from the other units in the home. In this scenario, the conventional buyer would need to take out a loan for $200,000 with a payment of $955 per month. With the $1,500 in rent from the additional unit, the buyer would net $505 per month. However, with a reverse mortgage purchase, the buyer would net $1,500 per month and have an additional $40,000 from the sale of their home. This is a win-win for the buyer. Now let's take a quick look at a couple of scenarios for current homeowners who prefer to stay where they're at. If you are over 62, FHA, or age 55, private, and have roughly 60% equity or more, you could eliminate your monthly mortgage payment. And for those who have little to no existing mortgage, you can take out cash to buy a rental property, second home, make improvements, or any other investment opportunities. Let's consider the numerous clients you've assisted over the years, many of whom are now 55 years old and above. It's quite likely that they are unaware of the option of purchasing a home with a reverse mortgage. Approximately 40% of older Americans rely solely on their Social Security, which averages around $1,700 per month. Consequently, many may feel constrained in their current living situation, unaware that options like upsizing, downsizing, or relocating closer to family is a possibility. Your extensive experience and expertise are crucial in enlightening and educating this growing population of older Americans. While a reverse mortgage purchase may not suit every client, for some, it can serve as an invaluable financial tool that provides lifelong benefits. I hope you found this video on reverse mortgage purchases to be both informative and educational. Over the past 15 years, my dedication has centered on assisting clients with reverse mortgage purchase financing. If you wish to retain my contact information, I would be delighted to serve as a valuable resource on reverse mortgage purchases for you, your team, and your clients in the days ahead. I wish you great success.